Hello everyone, I am Shubham and today I am going to show you how to control the room temperature using DHT11 sensor. This is the hardware of required for this system. One Arduino Uno R3 board, one 16 by 2 LCD display, DHT11 sensor and one relay module. Now I am going to show you the working of this system. We can see here the current temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and the relay is off. The relay indicates when green it's on. Now for a demo, I manually increase the temperature. Temperature is increasing and the current temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. I more increase the temperature using this fire. The temperature is 33 degrees Celsius, 34, 35, 36, 37. Now you can see here the relay is on, means the devices you connected to the relay is switched on. This is the working of the system. When the temperature is decreases, you can see here on the display there is a line AC is on because the AC is connected for the demo to the relay. The temperature is going decreasing. Wait for some time. Temperature is 36. It's 35 and the relay is off, means the temperature comes to 35 degrees Celsius. The devices is switched off through the relay module. This is the complete working of this hardware system. We can connect the high voltage devices to this relay module. There is a 3 points, one NC point which is normally closed, one common points and one normally open point. We can connect the any high voltage devices wire, one wire either phase or neutral, connect it to the common point and normally open point, and when the temperature is increases greater than 37 degrees Celsius, the devices is automatically on, and temperature is decreasing, the devices is automatically switched off. The result of this system is when the temperature increases, the system automatically starts the fan or AC or cooler, anything, and control the temperature of the room. Now let's see the circuit diagram and the code required for this module. Here the circuit diagram of this system. The LCD display is connected to the 5 volt and the ground, and the data pins are connected to the pin number digital pins, pin number 13, pin number 12, pin number 11, pin number 10, pin number 9 and 8. The DHT11 sensor data pin is connected to the digital pin 2 because it is the digital module. 5 volt relay is connected to the pin number 3 and the 230 volt power supply is connected to the 5 volt common point and normally open point. As when the temperature increases, it automatically starts the AC, and when temperature is decreases, it automatically stops the AC or off the AC. Here is the code for working the system. I include the DHT header file, liquid crystal display header file, display initialization on digital pin number 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. The data pin is connected to the digital pin number 2. Define type of sensor and initialize the DHT setup, and integer 3 equals to AC, means relay module is connected to the digital pin number 3. In setup, LCD is begin, DHT11 sensor is begin, and define relay module is output on a pin number 3. In void loop, measure the room temperature in temperature variable and print the temperature on LCD screen. Here is the main logic of the program. If the temperature is greater than 37 degrees Celsius, the relay is automatically switched on and print the message on as AC is on the screen. If the temperature is less than 35 degrees Celsius, the relay module is automatically switched off and print the message as AC is off. Thank you for watching.